Hello and welcome to this video on neural networks. In this video, we will be taking a look at how these complex algorithms work and how they're being used in a variety of fields. Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. They're used for a wide range of tasks, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even playing games. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of how neural networks operate and how they're being used in the world today. Let's get started. Neural networks are made up of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons. These neurons process and transmit information through the network, much like how neurons in the brain transmit signals. Each neuron takes in a number of inputs, processes them using a set of weights and biases, and produces a single output. These outputs are then passed on to the next layer of neurons, and so on, until the final output is produced. In order to train a neural network, we need to provide it with a large dataset of labeled examples. For example, if we want to train a neural network to recognize handwritten digits, we would need to provide it with a dataset of handwritten digits and the corresponding labels. The neural network is then fed these examples one at a time, and the weights and biases of the neurons are adjusted in order to minimize the error between the predicted output and the true label. This process is repeated for many iterations until the error is minimized to a satisfactory level. There are many different applications for neural networks, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even playing games. For example, neural networks are being used to develop self-driving cars, which require the ability to recognize and classify objects in the environment. They're also being used for facial recognition and for detecting fraud in financial transactions. Additionally, neural networks are being used to improve the accuracy of weather forecasting and to design new drugs and materials. While neural networks have shown great promise in a variety of applications, there are also limitations and challenges that need to be addressed. One challenge is the need for large amounts of labeled data in order to train the network. This can be particularly challenging in fields where there is a lack of available data or where the data is complex and difficult to label. Additionally, neural networks can be prone to overfitting, which means that they may perform well on the training data but poorly on new, unseen data. Another challenge is that it can be difficult to understand and interpret the decisions made by neural networks, particularly in cases where the data is very complex and the network is deep. In conclusion, neural networks are a powerful type of machine learning algorithm that are being used in a variety of fields. They're inspired by the structure and function of the human brain and are able to learn and adapt by adjusting their weights and biases based on labeled examples. While there are challenges and limitations to using neural networks, they have shown great promise in a variety of applications, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and even self-driving cars. Thank you for watching this video on neural networks. We hope you now have a better understanding of how these algorithms work and how they're being used in the world today. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about machine learning and artificial intelligence, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.